Hi everybody. In this video we're going to talk about creating sections or shelves, depends on how you want to look at them, within your YouTube channel. So in my previous video we talked about creating playlists, and those playlists will lump your videos together however you choose to set up your playlist. So maybe it's thematic, or maybe it's a specific unit that you have either created videos or collecting videos from the web, however you want to organize your playlist. So you can either share that whole playlist with your students, or it's just organized so you can go back and easily find your videos for another time. So let's go ahead and start with creating a shelf or creating a section within your YouTube channel. So the first thing is you just see that I'm logged in to my SPSDME YouTube account, and I go to my channel. So it is important that you have a channel created before you start this. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Customize Channel. Now here we get a screen that looks a little bit like this. And I want to add a section, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Section. And because I already have several playlists already created, I'm going to go ahead and click Multiple Playlists. But if you just wanted to pick one of your playlists and create a shelf or a section for that, you could hit Choose a Playlist and then just pick from here. But I'm going to go ahead and do Multiple Playlists. So here are all my different playlists, and as you can see, it shows the title of the playlist, and then it shows me the number of videos that I have in that playlist. So this would be 7 videos specific to using the Google Takeout or Transfer tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shelf that holds all of my playlists that are specific to apps tutorials. So to do that, I'm going to skip the Google ones because I might a little bit later create a shelf just for Google tools. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edpuzzle, and what are some of the other apps? I'm going to click Apps for the Classroom, Apps Tutorials. These are probably very similar videos. And then I'm going to pick Flipgrid, Pear Deck, Flippity, and let's go Keynote and Book Creator. So those are the apps. Oh, let's also include Explain Everything and iMovie in there, of course. So these are the different playlists I have, but now they're going to all sit on a shelf. And I'm going to call that shelf Apps Tutorials. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And now you can see I have this little section. It has all of my playlists. So my playlists are specific to certain apps. For example, I have one for Flipgrid. I have a playlist for Flippity. I have a playlist for iMovie, but I have all of them grouped together on one shelf. So next step is to go ahead and click the Publish button. Very important if you want any of your changes to show up on the web. And then I'm going to click up here and go back to my channel. This will kind of give me a view, and then I have, as you can see, I have a shelf called Apps Tutorials, and then within that shelf, or on that shelf, or in that section, I have all of my playlists for different app tutorials there. So it's nice and organized. Think of it as putting it into folders within folders. It's a great way if you're a YouTube user to organize all your videos for you to get back to, or to be able to share with your students.